The Karnataka government has announced a temporary change in school working hours for Urdu-medium schools across the state during the holy months of Ramadan in the academic year 2025 to 2026. The revised timing will apply to primary, upper primary and high schools and will be enforced from the beginning of Ramadan until March 20th, 2026. The decision covers all Urdu-medium institutions including government, aided and unaided schools. The move follows a recommendation submitted by the Karnataka State Primary School Education Association on January 17, 2026 and was formalized through a government circular issued on Monday. Home Minister G Parameshwara clarifies that the decision should not be seen as an appeasement of minorities but as a practical administrative adjustment to support students who observe fasting during Ramadan while ensuring continuity in the academic activities. Officials stated that the government reviewed earlier order before taking the decision, including a 2002 standing order that fixed school hours from 8 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. and the 2023 Activity Action Plan which recommended regular school hours from 10 a.m. to 4:20 p.m. Balancing these guidelines, the government decided on a temporary revision to safeguard students' health and learning outcome during the fasting period. Justifying the move, Parameshwara said such measures are aimed to ensure equality in education and bringing Urdu medium students on par with others, adding that accommodating religious observance within the constitutional framework strengthens inclusivity and social harmony. The government has also clarified that the change is strictly temporary and that normal school timing will be restored after Ramadan.
BJP is alleging, sir, this government once again trying to appease the Muslims by changing the timing of Urdu schools at the time of Ramzan. A new circular came. Now the BJP is saying clearly that this government is time and again doing this appeasement politics.
No, changing the time and other things, you will have to ask the primary secondary education minister. But appeasement is not right. See, when somebody is not equal to you in all terms, like SC, ST, why do you think reservation is given to SC, STs in the constitution from the beginning? Why do you think backward classes are considered in the constitution itself? See, these are the people who are neglected for thousands of years. Don't you want them to become equal to others, an equal society? And that is why a little encouragement in terms of our programs we give every time. And that is not tolerated means you are against people, are treated equally.